Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio with some Sherwin Williams white eggshell pillow paint. Come on. In an Amsterdam container. And I've got some Tricorn Black, and I think I'm going to put it in the center. And over on one side. And I'll spread it around a little bit. I need to leave it kind of heavy because I'd like to do some scoop and drags. Boy, the black just wants to take right over. That's kind of cool though. Neat shapes. Be nice to get a fairly even layer in the center. It looks like I have plenty of paint. Okay, so now I've got a large palette knife and I want to use some Australian Floetrol laden cell activator, and I've got some orange peel with gold sparkle in it. But I want to just experiment with the white cell activator and the black cell activator, and we'll see if I get to scoop and drag or not. This is the orange peel. And whatever colors come to mind are going to be up next. And I think I'm going to use some of my Carnival. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've got some Atelier light and dark turquoise, and I'm thinking one of those is going to go with the Carnival, but I also have P.E.s, and I love those cells there. Maybe I'll just scoop and drag to begin with and see what happens first. Put my orange peel back. Sometimes simple is better. Grab some palette knives. That's too big. I want a smaller palette knife. One that isn't covered with water either. You know what? I really want I want some more cell activator on there. And I'm going to go for it. This time I think I'm going to indulge in some of the Mayan gold. And it just occurred to me I'm in love with the marooned. So I'm going to start with, and hope I don't go wrong with, the light turquoise from Atelier. And then the gold, which might make green. And then some of the marooned, which is a Prizm Pour. From Colour Arte. I'm inclined to keep going. So what do I want to do next? I love that turquoise, so maybe both turquoises. I think so. Some of the dark and some of the light. And do the same exact thing again with the marooned after the Mayan gold, which I left all my bottles in the way. Do I have enough colors? I probably do. Just going to move some of that paint right over to the edge right now. Wipe off my palette knife to a degree. I've got a nice little round scoop and drag. And at this point, smear also. That's the biggest bubble I've ever seen. And it popped, yay. I'm still inclined to put some of the Carnival in there I was threatening, that I never did do. So let's just grab a little bit of that. Use some white, Amsterdam white. Is it not open? Getting pretty good at balancing a palette knife with a puddle of paint on it. Yep, I'm gonna like that. Oh, I see that dribble. I am imagining that all of that is going to spin off. So now I'm going to do it again. Only this time I'm going to go black, Mayan gold, and Carnival, which is a Prizm Pour, excuse me, Primary Element, my mistake. And I don't know, I'm really nervous. This is reminding me more and more of an orchid as I go. I used to keep orchids. I loved having orchids. They grew in Maine a lot better than they grew for me in Florida. Of course, I've been busy doing other things, as you might well notice. And I am just moving some things down. Now I'm going to spin. And I'm hoping I have enough gold in there. Drop my stuff in the bucket. I don't know what to do about that. Maybe I'm going to blow into it. That was something I dribbled. But I think I can make it go away. So, let's see how that's working. I like the turquoise and the marooned with the Mayan gold, the black and the white. Sometimes I go so far spinning out and then I want to just start over again. Or start again, not over. I just wonder how much if I want to actually call it done, or if I want to I'm mostly covered to the edges. That part's good. Do I want to put any marks in there? That's the question. Maybe 1 or 2 spirals in the center. They may or may not grow. I love spirals, I can't help it. Just going on instinct. Oh, I found a naked spot. Time to grab some paint. That must mean I have to spin again. This is pretty interesting, although I see something that's bugging me. I like the colors, but the shape is making me... I do have those beautiful little leopard print orchid cells. I'm loving those. It's some tremendous lacing. Very dark and delicious colors. Very flower-like. Very, very. I don't want it to crack, so I am going to spin a little bit longer. And hopefully I won't spin it off track. So I got to tell you guys I love you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos and watching them longer. And I don't know why that's... Oh yeah, no, that's tremendous. I really, really like that. I'm glad I put those spirals in, especially that one. I'm going to look for bubbles. I'm going to let the paint rest overnight. I like the negative space. I like the marks. If I have anything I want to do. Might want to add a little twist right there. Yep, I like that too. Ha! I got lucky. I get lucky a lot. Thank you guys for being here. I have over 2,800 videos, and you can find them by going to my channel and looking for playlists. Created playlists, all playlists. I see that one line. Sometimes if I can ruffle a straight line, I'm much happier with it. It occurs to me that might be why people like Dutch pours. Anyway, so I'm going to try and shimmer that at you. I'm not sure which way is up. The way I'm looking at it is good. That's pretty good. Oh, I like the way you had it already. That way is pretty nice also. Well, I'm just going to take a guess. Do a quick shimmer. And time to clean up and go for dinner. And hopefully I can get this back in the center of my monitor. Let's go right down in there. There's some awesome stuff in there. Look at that. I'm always nervous about moving my camera on the mount because I'm never sure I'll be able to get it back where it was. And that is usually the problem. So look for my Instagram feed, and you can usually see a video close-up of the shimmer. And sometimes you can also see the picture. It's funny how sometimes just little things are enough. Alright, so I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Be sure to share my videos. Thank you for watching longer. Really appreciate you being here. I post at 2:15 Eastern Standard Time. 2:15 p.m. Loving, loving, loving those cells. I do sell my artwork. I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And thank you guys for the donations through PayPal. You keep me painting. Thank you for all my new members. They have access to a library of over 60 videos that you can't see unless you are a member. So thank you so much. You guys help keep me painting too. And I mentioned I give lessons and sell my artwork, but my paint pouring recipes are underneath the video. So if you need something, please ask me if you can't find what you're looking for. Same thing with the playlists. I have everything organized by topic and genre and by the 100. And I'm happy to help you guys. My Amazon link is on the link tree. The link tree is underneath, I believe, the 20% off Colour Arte coupon code with the link to the website. And on the Amazon link, you'll find my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Also on the link tree, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and Society 6 and The Gallerist. All really good places to look to shop. If you have found something you love of mine and it's not available there, just ask me and I can put it there. What else? I don't know what else. Whatever else I have mentioned in other videos I'm forgetting now, you'll forgive me. And my community board, great place to ask questions and see what tomorrow's video will be. So, like I said, you guys take care of each other. Love you much. You inspire me often. I see that weird creature. And it's got to go before my husband comes in and tells me about it. All right. Bye for now. Priscilla out.